Today we're going to have another crack at pork belly crackling, but this time I'm going to try it the Norwegian way. Recently a viewer gave me this recipe the way it's normally done in Norway, and it sounded so interesting that I wanted to have a go at it, and I can't wait to see how it turns out. So I'm going to do it live on this video. I've never done it before, so let's live dangerously. But if things don't work out, I can always resort to my microwave pork crackling hack, which you can view in this video. So basically, you season your pork belly, put it in the fridge for a few hours, then you take it out and you turn it upside down with the skin down in a baking dish, and you pour a little bit of water in the bottom of the dish, and then you cover it with foil and put it in a preheated oven at about 180 degrees C. You let it go in there for about an hour. Then you take it out, take the foil off, turn it the right way up, in other words the skin upwards this time, and you put it back in the oven for another hour, hour and a half, and you adjust the temperature if you need to, depending on how the crackling's going. So let's give it a go. I can't wait to see how it turns out. Now, pork belly is a great option for the keto diet, especially if you need to up your fat. So it's a wonderful meal choice if you're on the keto diet. Now, my pork belly has been seasoned with salt, and I put it in the fridge for a few hours. And I've just taken it out the fridge now, so we're ready to prepare it for the oven. So let's get on with it. That sounds pretty good, and it's looking pretty good. So it's a matter of tasting it, but I'm going to leave it to rest for 10 minutes before we taste it. Right, it's just come out the oven. It's been resting for about 10 minutes, and it's looking pretty good. But I must admit that we had to up the oven temperature quite a bit to get some crackling. So I would suggest after you take the foil off, you push your oven to 200 or 220 to get some crackling going, and then after the foil comes off, give it another hour and a half, 2 hours at least, to get something decent out of the crackling. And if you're still struggling after that, go to my microwave crackling hack, and that'll see you right. Right, let's taste it. Right, let's give this a little try. I got a little bit of meat there and a bit of crackling. Sounds good. So let's give it a taste. Listen to that crunch. Beautiful. And the meat's beautifully tender. And I think that's because it's cooked with a lot of moisture because of the water that you put in the bottom of the pan. It's absolutely fabulous. You should try this. Well done, Norwegians. Now, if you enjoyed this recipe, please like and share this video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already done so. And if you have any questions or comments, please just scroll right down to the bottom. You'll find the comment section there and you can leave us a message there. We'd love to hear from you. Stay safe. Thanks very much for watching.